next award is Geim International Innovation Award. It is after the name of 2010 Nobel laureate in physics for extraordinary scientific innovation that enables successes in business that contribute shaping a sustainable future. Who is the award? Nobody can guess this because this falls in any category. And the winner is Vladimir Tsepelev. Boris, Yeltsin, Ural, Federal University, Russia, in the field of metallurgy. Is he here? I don't see him. Oh, here. I thought he's not here. And then I cancel him.
Thank you very much. We started with liquid metals, and our time is liquid too. Liquid metals is very nice for high temperature investigation, for technology, new technology, soft magnetic materials, and any high temperature materials also. Thank you very much.
Thank you, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. That's a certificate.